My name is Sebastian Senior Jr., and I work with my father and my brother in our family-owned and operated Auto Pro Collision body shop.
My name is Jacqueline Hockenjost. I am from Freehold, New Jersey, born and raised. And now I'm back in Freehold as a first grade teacher at the elementary school I went to, Applegate Elementary School. So this Saturday, May 16th, would have been our wedding day, but unfortunately it's now in October. So we decided to use the day to launch our campaign with This Ring You'll Be Fed. And we're inviting our family and friends and anyone else who wants to donate to a drive-by at our house. And it doesn't just end there. We're going to continue the campaign until October to our new wedding day.
Our goal is to help inspire other couples that we know are out there too in the same situation as us. Thank you for supporting our campaign with This Ring You'll Be Fed.